This is good. So what I did was I gave you something that was hard, and then I gave you something that you kind of know already, and we put it together and make it look really cool. I'm going to say that one more time as we do this. All right. You ready? Reaction yet? Ready. Got to do it. All right. Where are we?
We're in Lancaster.
We're in the Lancaster Community Center. What's today? 16th?
16.
Is it 16th? Thursday, 16th? 50 degrees out. Unbelievable. Okay, so this is week 2 of our American Rhythm Rumba. What we did is we went over what we did week 1, which was the we did the rocks, crossover with the side rocks,
yes.
And then we did the open rumba walk. We went over that again, and then we did is we took some crossovers, some butterflies, and then we took some switch turns, and we put it all in there so that it made it a nice amalgamation. So that's what we're going to show you tonight, the amalgamation. This is Marcia. I am Jim. This is Sunstrike Dance Sport. We're in a nice gym with a big echo. I like it. Okay, so we're going to start with the crossbody lead with the open rumba walks. So we have slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. 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 Rocking step, rocking step, rocking step, rocking step. Cross over break, cross over break, cross over butterfly, another butterfly, and then crossover. Marcia's going to look into my eyes like she's never going to leave me. And then we're going to roll. Okay, now we do our switch turn. And then we end it with the ladies under our turn, finishing it with a together, together. Awesome. Take a bow.